Welcome to the world of sewing enthusiasts. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and efficient sewing machine, you've landed in the right place. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best Singer sewing machines available today. Known for their innovation and craftsmanship, Singer has been a leading name in the sewing industry for over 160 years. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, finding the right machine can elevate your projects and enhance your creativity. Join us as we dive into top models, features, and what makes Singer a trusted choice for stitching perfection. Let's get started. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Singer Start 1304 sewing machine. If you're stepping into the world of sewing, the Singer Start 1304 mechanical sewing machine is designed just for you. Its streamlined operational procedures make it an ideal choice for casual hobbyists and beginners alike. Whether you're an older child or a teenager exploring this creative outlet, this sewing machine can ignite a lifelong passion for sewing, quilting, and crafting. With the Singer Start 1304, you're not just mastering the basics, you're also unlocking a world of creativity. The front-facing manual dial features 6 clearly marked stitch options, allowing you to easily select from preset stitch lengths and widths. This user-friendly setup enables you to experiment with up to 57 different stitch applications, providing you with the versatility to tackle a range of projects. As you get started, you'll find that this machine excels in its simplicity. It offers essential straight stitches for seams and hems, making it easy to finish your projects with precision. But don't stop there. Feel free to experiment. The machine also supports decorative stitches, such as scallops and zigzags, letting you add charming embellishments to your creations. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your ideas come to life, piece by piece, as you learn and grow in your sewing journey. The Singer Start 1304 not only equips you with the right tools, but also inspires creativity at every turn. Embrace your artistic side and discover the joy of sewing with this reliable companion by your side. At number 4, Singer Legacy SE300 Computerized Sewing Machine. If you have a passion for embroidery, the Singer Legacy SE300 might be the perfect companion for your creative projects. This versatile machine features both large and small embroidery hoops, accommodating your various endeavors with an impressive 7.25 inches of workspace. With 200 built-in embroidery designs and 6 font styles, you'll find yourself brimming with inspiration to personalize and elevate your creations. One of the standout features of the SE300 is its ability to handle a broad spectrum of stitches, from basic to decorative. It intelligently adjusts the length, width, pressure, and more, relieving you of the need to fine-tune settings manually. Plus, you can save up to 4 unique stitching sequences in memory, making it easier to repeat your favorite designs. Speed is another strong point of the SE300. Capable of reaching up to 800 stitches per minute, you'll breeze through your projects without sacrificing quality. Transitioning between sewing and embroidery is a snap. Simply attach the embroidery foot, and you're ready to go. For those who appreciate hands-on learning, the SE300 includes online training resources to help you make the most of its features. While it comes with software for design customization, please note that it's only compatible with Windows systems. Although this model is on the higher end of the price spectrum, its comprehensive functionalities may be worth the investment for the avid embroiderer. Explore new creative possibilities with the Singer Legacy SE300 today. Number 3, we have the Singer Stitch Quick Plus handheld mending machine. Discover the convenience of the Singer Stitch Quick Plus, your go-to mini, handheld, and cordless mending machine designed to simplify your sewing tasks. Picture yourself effortlessly hemming a pair of pants, repairing a beloved skirt, or fixing household curtains. No need to wrestle with a bulky sewing machine. This compact device weighs just 1.45 pounds, making it easy to store and perfect for on-the-go repairs. Powered by just 4 AA batteries, consider opting for rechargeable ones to make an eco-friendly choice. This reliability means you'll always be ready for those minor sewing tasks that pop up unexpectedly. The Stitch Quick Plus is also an excellent tool to introduce older children and teenagers to the world of sewing. Its user-friendly design features a toggle switch that allows you to switch between desktop and handheld modes, enabling new sewers to learn essential skills confidently, akin to using traditional sewing machines. Investing in the SINGER Stitch Quick Plus allows you not only to tackle quick fixes but also fosters creativity and skills. Imagine the satisfaction of completing your own repairs, empowering you to express your style while saving time and money. Embrace the joys of sewing with a tool that seamlessly integrates into your life, whether for essential repairs or sparking a newfound passion for crafting. At number 2, SINGER Heavy Duty 4423 High-Speed Sewing Machine. Discover the power and versatility of the SINGER 4423 sewing machine designed to elevate your sewing experience. Whether you're working with sturdy denim, durable canvas, or heavy wool, you'll appreciate the strength of its motor, which is 60% more powerful than standard machines. This makes the SINGER 4423 an ideal choice for all your sewing projects, enabling you to tackle a wide range of materials with ease. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures stability and long-lasting durability, giving you the confidence to sew through tough fabrics. But don't worry, this machine isn't just for heavyweights. The smooth stainless steel bed plate paired with adjustable presser foot pressure allows lightweight and sheer fabrics to glide effortlessly without snagging. One of the standout features of the SINGER 4423 is its impressive sewing speed. You can complete your projects in no time, thanks to its ability to produce up to 1,100 precision stitches per minute. You won't have to compromise on creativity either, as the clearly marked dial offers a variety of preset stitches, giving you access to up to 97 stitch applications. And when it comes to buttonholes, the one-step buttonhole feature saves you time and frustration. Just place your button in the buttonhole foot and watch as the machine creates a perfect buttonhole around it every single time. With the SINGER 4423, you'll find the freedom and efficiency to bring your creative ideas to life. And finally, the number 1, appreciate the strength of its motor.
Pick for best 8K TV overall. Samsung's QN900D is hands down the best 8K TV available. Its Infinity Air design showcases an impressive, almost invisible profile. You'll find yourself captivated by how much screen space you get, enhancing your movie nights or binge-watching sessions. With an EO Quantum HDR 8K Pro, colors pop brilliantly. Bright scenes shine and dark moments stay rich and detailed, making you feel every moment. Real 8K resolution with AI Upscaling Pro takes your viewing experience to another level. Thanks to advanced AI, it enhances everything you watch to stunning clarity, 4 times better than 4K content. Sports fans will appreciate the AI Motion Enhancer Pro. It smooths out motion, reducing blurriness, ensuring you don't miss any crucial plays. With Dolby Atmos and Object Tracking Sound Pro, audio feels immersive. The sound perfectly syncs with on-screen action, wrapping you in a dramatic audio experience. Additionally, its Real Depth Enhancer Pro adds depth that rivals reality. With NQ8AI Gen 3 processor, you'll enjoy vibrant visuals and impressive textures that elevate home viewing. Overall, Samsung's QN900D delivers an unparalleled experience. Dive into the details and explore what this magnificent TV offers.
And finally, the number 1, appreciate the strength of its motor.
Pick for best 8K TV overall. Samsung's QN900D is hands down the best 8K TV available. Its Infinity Air design showcases an impressive, almost invisible profile. You'll find yourself
As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which SINGER sewing machine you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.